Hey guys, I'm going to show you the most easiest way that you can clean copper. You'll be able to clean your copper jewelry, your copper cups and whatnot within seconds. All you need is some white vinegar and some salt. So I'm going to pour some white vinegar in this bowl here. The amount will depend on how much product you're trying to clean. I have a pretty big pitcher here, so I'm going to fill the bowl up enough to where I can, clean the pitcher. Then you want to add some salt to that. Swirl it around. And then we're going to just add our copper. We'll start with this jewelry here. I have this bracelet that I've been in possession of for years. It's gotten pretty oxidated, so I want to go ahead and drop that in there and clean it as fast as possible. So you're just going to add your copper into your mixture there. Go ahead and shake it up a little bit. Make sure you get all the acidic properties from the vinegar on it. And look, wow, just that fast. Clean your copper.